Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we shall discuss our rest of the topic essay and its types. Next type is narrative essay. Narrative essay narrates an event or incident. Narrative essay treats the events as a topic. An experience or feeling is explained in these type of essays in detail. The common topics for such type of an essay are my first day at college, my last day at college, my first day in office, an earthquake, a plane crash, etc. As the name of this type shows that narrative, it is related to narration. It is a type of storytelling or tale telling. As the storyteller narrates some incident or some event, some experience that happened to him anywhere, so he narrates and gives the minutest detail, and if his style or way of narration is interesting, is effective, so the narration will become beautiful and attractive for the listener. In the same way, in the narrative essay, it is expected that the writer will narrate very clearly and try to make his narration interesting to keep the interest of the reader in touch with his essay. It demands a skill of narration, a skill of clarity, and a skill to describe. The other type is imaginative essay. This type of an essay describes one's power of imagination or expression. The topics that stir the imagination are usually included in these type of essays. For example, if I were a king, if I were a prime minister. So this is related to imagination of the writer. He is expected to disclose his hidden desires that are buried in his subconsciousness. He is to produce them or unfold them with the interest, with all his feelings and the emotions. So imagination or imaginative type of essay captures the reader very closely to the topic, to the essay. The more the power of imagination is, or stronger the power of imagination is, the more interesting it will become for the reader. Other type is reflective essay. The essays on abstract concepts such as honesty, truth, patriotism come under this type. The writer supports his point of view with arguments, facts, and figures. Topics like Clash of Civilization, Star Wars are included in it. As the name of the type shows, that it is related to reflection, the thinking capacity, and the argumentative style, and the analytical power is demanded in such type of essays. So dear students, you might have seen that all these types, these are to some extent related to one another, and the basic aim and the theme of all these type is to bring out the capacity and capability of the writer, of the learner of the new language, so that it might be guessed that how much command he has on the language, what is his grip on the vocabulary and the grammar structure, and how much he learnt the technique of the composition. So it will require a plenty of reading and plenty of study of the sources from that language. The more the reading is, the more the study of the literature of the particular language is, the more authentic and the powerful one will be the composition and the essay. So dear student, this was our topic of essay and its type. Now inshallah we shall meet with our next topic very soon, inshallah. Okay, take care. Allah.